There are 5 hidden ways that your website is bleeding money, and I'm going to go over the easy ways that you can finally fix it. If you're a hands on business owner, you know what it's like to watch a leaky pipe drip money down the drain. Your website is actually doing the same thing for your business, quietly losing leads and sales day after day without you noticing until it's too late. I'm Terry from Merit Marketing Services, and let's talk about the 5 ways that we can plug those leaks. I've seen great business owners, guys who run tight crews and do excellent work, lose tens of thousands of dollars a year because their website sends customers away, not because of bad service or bad work, but because of small website issues that we can fix. And let's go over the 5 now. Slow load times drive away customers. Did you know that 40% of the visitors on your website will leave if your site takes more than 3 seconds to load? That's almost half of the potential customers that you could have had gone before they even see what you have to offer. Here's your homework. I want you to look at the pictures that you have on your website and simplify the content. And then ask the hosting provider if they have faster hosting service options. Use smaller images and upgrade if you have that ability. Number 2, broken and complicated contact forms. If that contact form isn't working, you're going to lose an opportunity. And if it is too confusing, the people who got to the form are going to disappear before they even finish. You worked hard to get people to your site with marketing and ads and creating content. Don't lose them now because the form doesn't deliver. Test your form today. Your homework is to see how long it takes you to fill out the form. Does it ask the right information? Keep it short and simple, and make sure that you test it on your phone. Only ask for those essential things that you need to get the lead. Number 3, you're invisible on Google. There's no local SEO related to your business. If the website and Google business profile aren't set up right, you are going to be invisible to local searchers, meaning they're looking on Google for your product and service and you don't show up. People want to support services nearby and they search best business industry near me. If you're not listed, they will never find you. You have homework today to fill out your Google business profile and make sure that your address and phone number, hours, and contact information is correct in the business profile. And also make sure on your website that the address, phone number, and contact information is on every web page. Number 4, the trust factor. If you are missing the opportunity to build trust with your viewer, then you are missing the opportunity for that relationship. You may not have reviews or photos of the crew or trucks or your team, and customers often wonder, can I trust these guys? We want to add reviews, real testimonies, certifications from your team, and the things that you've done and accomplished, as well as photos of your team. Local customers want to see who they're hiring. That trust factor is a very important piece to making the decision of if somebody wants to do business with you. Take it seriously, make sure it is included prominently on your homepage. And last, number 5, outdated branding. If you are inconsistent, if it's generic or mismatched, it makes you look like you're behind the times. If you have not touched that website in years, prospects assume that your business is stuck. There's usually a date at the bottom of your website of when that copyright was produced. Check that date and make sure that you have a consistent look, your logo is clear, and the professional images are prominent across the page. Use your trucks, use your team, use before and after, and take advantage of all of those pieces to make sure that your reputation is strong and your branding comes through. So we have a quick win action. Today, I want you to take 10 minutes to open your website, take a look and see how long it takes to load. Fill out your own Google form or your landing page form or the contact us form and make sure that it goes to your inbox. And then I want you to do a search on Google for your company. Did you show up on the map? What are the information that's populating for your business to other people? See what they're seeing and take advantage of any opportunities that you see to start getting you listed. And if you have reviews, another quick win is to go back and answer those reviews if you aren't already. If you want a no nonsense pro to get in and fix these problems fast, schedule a website audit with me now and join our monthly marketing plan in the first 14 days after that audit for a bonus. And we've got Google profile optimizations, 30-day improvement guarantee, as well as bonus landing pages to help you convert more. We're going to plug the leaks together and start turning website visits into real paying customers. And if you don't see real improvement in 30 days, you don't pay. Let's make your website work as hard as you do.